People, welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now, today I'm going to do something that, if I'm not mistaken, no other Jamaican YouTuber or blogger has ever done. Now, Politics Watch is not a normal channel. My loyal subscribers are not normal people. Therefore, normal things don't happen over here. Right? Now, even though I don't know you people personally, and you guys don't even know what I look like, where I'm from, etc., I consider you people to be my social family. And seeing that I am now at 10,000 subscribers, and when I started this channel, I didn't even know if I'd make it to 100, right? Because of how anonymous I am, right? I think it is fitting that, seeing that I always ask politicians to be transparent, seeing that when Peter Phillips and Andrew Holness released their numbers, I was one of the first people to publicly call them out. It's only right that I show the people who has built this channel, right, my own numbers, right? And to do that, as reference, I'm going to pull up my biggest video ever, my most successful video ever. I'm not even going to show the little small one them with 2,000 and 3,000 views, right? I'm showing you this video because, one, I want you guys to get an idea of what I'm talking about when I'm saying that my channel actually come under a lot of pressure on YouTube. It's one of the reasons why I started my own website, right? And I also want to address some of the people who continue to come over to this channel, jump in the comment section, talk reckless, and tell me how, or if I keep doing this, they're going to stop watching the channel. If I keep talking about this politician or talking about this party, they're going to stop watching the channel, then I won't get any views and I won't make any money. I'm going to show you what I'm actually making from my biggest video ever, my most successful video ever, just to show you that that threat is a complete waste of time, right? Without any further ado, here is the screen recording of my analytics page. So let's take this in and then I'll get back to you. Yeah, so what you're looking at right now is the back end of YouTube platform. This is the analytics section. This is where I go to see basically how my videos perform. Now, this is not a picture, right? I'm literally recording my screen. And this is because obviously people can Photoshop pictures. But this right here, this is the real deal. Now, as you can see, this is the best performing video I've ever had. 105,000 views, 398,000 minutes of watch time. This one video alone got me almost 1,000 subscribers. And as you can see right here, this is revenue. $11. Okay, so for 105,000 views, YouTube paid me $11. And over here you can see this is since published. So let's say I go back the last 7 days, 8 cents. Last 28 days, 14 cents. So yeah, since uploaded, this is since day one, as you can see, $11. Now, the reason why I'm showing people this is because, as I said, I often get people come on this channel and people go in the comment section and start talking reckless and telling me how, oh, you disrespect my favorite politician, so I'm going to stop coming over here and watch videos so that way you won't make any money. As you can see, there is no money in this. Not for me, at least. Now, let me just put this out there again. this is not reflective of every YouTube channel. The reason why I get paid so low for so many views is because of the type of content I make. Okay, my channel is very hardcore, very aggressive. A lot of the things I talk about, a lot of the topics I talk about are not friendly for advertisers. So my channel gets hit with the yellow icon. A lot of my videos, most of my videos get hit with the yellow icon. So people who do YouTube knows that means that basically YouTube says your video is not suitable for all advertisers. When you get your video suitable for all advertisers, then everybody can run ads against your videos, and this number, the revenue will be much higher, right? But when you get limited ads, even when you get lots of views, because that's a lot of views, especially for a small channel like mine. And remember, I did this back in May when I had like 2,000 subscribers, right? So just think about that. The next time somebody comes on my channel trying to tell me or trying to use views or anything like that to try and hold as some kind of weapon over me to get me to not talk about their favorite politician or their favorite party, you're wasting your time. As you can see, I'm not going to be getting rich off YouTube anytime soon, right? So that threat has no effect on me. It might work on other YouTube channels where you can hold that over their head. A lot of channels are not as aggressive as mine because, again, they're worried about YouTube revenue, and they're worried about annoying their subscribers, and worried about people possibly leaving, because if people leave and unsubscribe and don't watch their videos, JPS might cut off them light, and Water Commission might cut off them water, and Digicel and Flow might cut off them cable. That is not the case over here for Politics Watch. Okay, this is why I speak with conviction. Okay, as you can see, again, this is not something I'm going to get rich off anytime soon. So you cannot, I repeat, you cannot hold views or unsubscribing over my head. Right? All that reckless talk will get you nowhere on this channel. Okay? You can try that with other people, but not with me. Okay? As I said before, I'm going to keep my foot on these people's necks. The type of content I make is not going to stop. Right? As long as I'm breathing, it's not going to stop. So I'm sorry to disappoint you. Whoever is your favorite politician or your favorite party, once there's something out there that looks shaky, smells of corruption, smells of mismanagement, they're going to get called out. Okay? You can't hold views over my head. Said it before and I'll say it again. I'm not going to get rich off YouTube anytime soon. Okay? So there you have it. So as I said before when I made that 10,000 subscriber post, once again, thank you to all the people who have supported this channel. Right? I know who my loyal subscribers are. We talk every morning. We agree sometime, we disagree sometime, but I know who my loyal subscribers are. Right? And I just want to make it clear, the vision I have for Politics Watch is bigger than YouTube, which is why I'm not even concerning myself with the tiny revenue I make from videos. Right? The vision I have for Politics Watch is to one day get to the stage where I can make my own documentaries. Right? There is a YouTube channel called Vice. I think they have a website as well, and they go all around the world and they make various documentaries about socio-political issues, conditions, gangs, things like that. Right? That is my envision or that is my goal for Politics Watch. Right? I want to not just be able to do a 10-minute, 15-minute video. I would love to do 1 hour, 1.5 hour documentaries on some of the people who have helped to shape Jamaica into what it is today, both negatively and positively. Right? So I just think, seeing that you guys are along for the ride with me, I think it is clear, I think I should make it clear where the destination, or where I intend for the destination to be. Right? So again, thank you for the support. Right? And just keep looking out for more content. Alright? Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Your support is vital. Right? Truly appreciate it. Bless up. Please like, comment, and share this video. I know this one is completely different and probably catch a lot of people off guard. But again, this is not a normal channel. So bless up on yourself.